Welcome. In today's video, we're exploring a recent update on WhatsApp Web that makes it easy to view your contacts' profile pictures right from your PC. If you've ever wanted to see a friend's image while chatting on your computer, you're in the right place. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open WhatsApp Web in your favorite browser. If you haven't linked your account yet, simply scan the QR code with your phone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list on the left side of the screen, just like you do on the app. Next, you'll want to find the contact whose profile picture you want to view. You can do this by scrolling through your recent chats or using the search bar at the top. Just type in their name, and it will bring up the conversation quickly. This feature is a huge time saver, especially if you have a long list of contacts. Once you've located the contact, click on their name. This will open up a sidebar with their chat information, including details like their status and phone number. Now, here's where it gets interesting. This is the perfect time to check out their profile picture. Look for their photo in the sidebar. It's usually displayed prominently, so it should be easy to spot. Simply click on their photo, and voila. It will enlarge, allowing you to see it in full detail. This is a great way to connect more personally with your contacts, especially if you're chatting with someone new or in a group conversation. And there you have it. Those are the straightforward steps to see a contact's profile picture on WhatsApp Web. This new update enhances your experience, making it easier to stay connected and recognize your friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other tech features. Thanks for watching, and happy chatting on WhatsApp Web.